PeelGuard, a smarter way to temporary protective coatings. It's easy to apply. Use a standard roller or a spraying system. PeelGuard is a two-part system and requires a 30-minute dry time between each application. PeelGuard protects the floor from various conditions, but in the event the protective coating tears, it's easy to repair. Clean up the edges of the tear by removing any loose material with a razor knife or by hand. Apply the base coat first, with a 30-minute dry time before adding the final top coat. It will require 2 coats to restore the protection. Once the repair is complete and dry, the floor is now protected once again. Cleanup is easy. Just grab the masking tape and pull directly up. PeelGuard pulls easily away from the concrete floor, leaving a clean, finished surface. For more information about our product and its application, please contact us at 817-764-0444, or you can send emails to samples@peel-guard.com.